Every hour, every minute, and every second, your life is moving forward. You can't go back. Positive thoughts is something that keeps you going forward, while negative thoughts is something that makes you stay in the same place without making any progress. I was neglected as a kid, and I grew up under pretty bad circumstances. I saw everything negatively, and time passed and many things changed. Except me. The only thing that could change yourself is only you. Just think about it. Why stay in negative thoughts? Your life is amazing. Yes, bad things will follow. But that doesn't mean your life is negative. I know it's hard to think positive when something negative happens. But you can't go back. Trust me. Push forward, and you will succeed.